Hey guys, I might not do a let's play because I don't have the proper equipment, but I'll upload some more videos soon, and I will do a let's play soon. So stick around, and stick around and leave a like and subscribe for this video, please. Please leave if we can get this video up to 1K views, that would be awesome. But my dog just ran away. My dog's gone. I have no idea where he is. So please get this video to 1K likes, and see you later. Just kidding. Peace out.